I welcome you to today's lesson. My name is Paul William Sofori. Today we have science for basic 5. Okay, so I want to know your name. Write your name at the comment section, the name of your school, the name of your town. Write that at the comment section. Okay, so let's look at what we have. Today we are looking at strand 2, cycles. Strand 2, we are looking at cycles. The sub-strand is 1, earth signs. The indicator is here. Know how day and night are formed. Know how day and night are formed. So today's topic is this: how day and night are formed. How day and night are formed. So today's topic is very interesting. During the night, we sleep. During daytime, we go to work, we go to school, we play with friends. Day is formed, night is formed. How do they form? That is what we are going to learn. How do they occur? How do night also occur? Okay, so today we are looking at how day is formed, how night is also formed. Now in this lesson, there are some words that we need to know how they are pronounced and their meaning. The first one is rotation. Rotation. To rotate means to turn something around. To turn something around. So the earth rotates. It means the earth goes round, it turns round. Okay, the next one is axis. Axis. So axis is a line, it's an imaginary line around which the earth rotates. So the earth rotates around the axis, or the earth moves around the axis. The axis is what? An imaginary line around which the earth what? Rotates. Okay. The next word is night time. Night time. So in the night, what do? The time, because of the time, you don't even come out. So night time is the time that we don't see the sun. We see the stars, we see the moon. That is night. This one is daytime. Daytime. Daytime too is a time that we don't see the moon, we don't see the stars. We only see what? The sun. So daytime is a time that we wake up, we go to school, we play with friends, we do a whole lot of things. Nighttime, we go to bed. Okay, the next word is spinning. Spinning. To spin means to turn something around quickly. To turn something around quickly around a straight line or an axis. So the word rotation and spinning are the same. So if the earth spins, it tells you that the earth moves around quickly. The earth moves around. If the earth rotates, it also tells you that the earth moves around or turns around. The word is to turn, spin. So the earth turns. So right now that I'm teaching, right now that you're also looking at me, the earth is turning. I'm telling you, the earth is turning, but we cannot see. Yes, so that is called rotation. 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 Now let's look at this. So we see during daytime, we see the sun. The sun gives us light. Because of the sun, we are able to see, we are able to do all the things that we want to do. We go to school, we come home, we eat, we play with friends, we do our assignments, we do other things, but later you will not see the sun again. The sun will disappear, and then we will see the moon and the stars. That is night. At that time, we all go to bed. We go into our rooms, our bedrooms to sleep. So during daytime, there are some things that we do. During nighttime too, there are some things that we do. In the night, we are all inside our rooms, we sleep. But during daytime, we come out. So this is an example for you. This is what? Daytime. That is where you see the sun. The sun is producing light. So all this side you can see. It's a beautiful what? Environment. Okay, so this is daytime. Now this is night. In the night, we don't see the sun. This is moon. And these are the stars. Have you seen it? See, the place is dark. Now, this is night, this is day. We are looking at what brings about night and what brings about what? Day. That is what we are looking at today. And you should know that daytime has 12 hours. Nighttime also have 12 hours. So the two give us a full day. So a full day has 24 hours. 24 hours. The daytime, when the sun is out for us to see, to give us light, that's the daytime. The time that we go out to do our things. The daytime has 12 hours. The nighttime, the time that we don't see the sun, only the moon and the stars are seen. The nighttime also have 12 hours. So the two give us what? A full day. And a full day has 24 hours. 12 plus 12 will give you what? 24. So a full day has 24 hours. One is 12, the other one 2 is 12. That is daytime 12 hours, nighttime 12 hours. Okay, so this is how the whole thing looks like. So in the night, we don't see things clearly because of what happens. We don't see the sun because the sun is not there to give what? Light. We see the moon, though the moon helps us to see, but it's not brighter like the sun. And let me tell you, the moon, it doesn't produce its own light. The moon doesn't produce its own light. The light that we see or we get from the moon is just a reflection from the sun. Okay, now we are saying that during daytime, the sun gives us what? Light. During night too, we get light from the stars and the moon. But I'm telling you that the moon doesn't produce its own light. Okay, let me read this side. We have learned that the sun gives light to the earth all the time, but not all parts of the earth get the light at the same time. The earth rotates or turns around on its axis. During rotation, a part of the earth faces the sun and experiences the light from the sun. The part that gets the sunlight experiences day. The other part of the earth that does not face the sun becomes dark and experiences what? Night. The continuous turning or rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now, we are saying that the earth turns. As for the sun, it doesn't move. It doesn't turn. It is at one point. But the earth rather turns. So if the earth is turning, always part of it will face the sun. The other parts too will not face the sun. So the part that will face the sun, because the sun is producing light, that part will get what? Light. So if the earth is turning, the part that faces the sun is the part that gets light, and that part experiences day. That part experiences what? Day. At the same time, when one part is facing the sun, the other part that is not facing the sun doesn't get light, becomes dark, and that part experiences what? Night. That is why as I'm speaking or as I'm teaching right now, it's around 12, but other places they are asleep. They are experiencing midnight. They are experiencing night because the parts that they find themselves on earth is not facing the sun. But right now, the part that I find myself on Earth, that part is facing the sun. So the sun will turn, it will get to a point that where I find myself will not be facing the sun again. So at that point, I'll be going into the night, or I'll be experiencing the night. So this is how day and night is formed. The rotation of the earth, the turning of the earth, the spinning of the earth causes day and night. Let's go deeper. Now, how the earth rotates. So we are looking at how the earth turns around, how the earth rotates. Now, the earth is a planet that rotates or turns around on its axis. The axis refers to an imaginary line around which a planet turns or rotates. It takes the earth 24 hours to fully complete a rotation, which is a full day. During rotation, the part that gets light from the sun experiences day for a period of 12 hours. The other part that does not get light from the sun becomes dark. These parts of the earth experiences night for a period of 12 hours. So the rotation of the earth on its axis is what causes day and night. So let's look at this picture. Now, if you look at the picture, there is something here. This is the sun. This is the sun. The sun is here. Let me enlarge it for you. The sun is here. This is Earth. Let me tell you that the size of the Earth is smaller than the sun. The sun is bigger than the Earth. But in the picture, we see the sun to be small. That is not the case. The sun is bigger. So this is Earth. This is the axis. It's a straight line. And you see, this whole thing is Earth. The round thing here. This round thing is is Earth. This line, this is the imaginary line around which the Earth rotates. This Earth, it rotates or it turns. So this is the axis and the Earth rotates around it. So you see that when the Earth is rotating, always part of it will face the sun like this. So this is the sun. All this side will get all those here. All those here will get will get light from the sun. So those here, those facing the sun will experience day. At the same time, those who are here, because they don't get light, this side will become dark. So they experience night. Okay. So the earth will rotate and rotate. So this side, these people, the earth will rotate. It will get to a point that their path will not face the sun again, but rather it will move to this side, and that causes the rotation causes day and night. Day and night. Okay. So what is rotation of the earth? What's the meaning of rotation of the earth? So rotation of the earth means the spinning or turning of the earth on its axis. So rotation of the earth means the turning or the spinning of the earth on its axis. And the end result is that it causes day and night. So if somebody asks you, what causes day and night? The answer is simple. Because the earth rotates, the rotation of the earth causes day and night. When the earth is rotating, one part of the earth will face the sun. One part of the earth will not face the sun. So the part that will face the sun will get light. That part that receives light from the sun is the day, and the part that is not getting light or receiving light from the sun is the night. So as the earth rotates, those are the night side will also come to the day side. Those are the day side will also go to the night side. So it's a continuous thing. It's a cycle. It moves like that. It doesn't stop. That is why anytime we wake up, we do our things. Evening will come, we will sleep. Morning will come, we wake up. Evening will come, we will sleep. So it's just like that. It's the earth that is causing that. The earth is moving. It is turning. That is why we are experiencing morning, afternoon, evening, night, midnight, and the rest. So you see, all the time, these things keep on happening. Now, the question has been asked again, what causes day and night? I have explained to you, but let me take it again. The rotation of the earth on its axis is what causes day and night. As the earth rotates or turns, the part that faces the sun receives sunlight and experiences daytime. The other part that does not receive light from the sun becomes dark and experiences night. This explains the reason why some countries are experiencing daytime. This explains why when some countries are experiencing daytime, other countries will be experiencing nighttime. For example, when it is 12 o'clock noon, that is daytime in Ghana. The time in New Zealand is around 12 o'clock midnight. So the rotation has caused this. In Ghana here, if it is around 12 o'clock daytime or 12 o'clock noon, 12 o'clock noon, in New Zealand, their time is around 12 o'clock midnight. So noon in Ghana, midnight, around midnight in New Zealand. So you see, anytime rotation is taking place, this is what happens. So right now, it is afternoon in Ghana, but I don't know where you are and the time that you are also watching me. So check your time. You could see that it is not the same. Okay. Now there is an activity here. That activity is here. So let me also run you through this. This is the earth. This is the sun. You see, the sun is producing light and the moon is here. So what happens is that this earth, you see, this side is dark, this side is not dark. This side has light, this side doesn't have light. So this side, the side that has light is the side that is experiencing day, and this side doesn't have light, so it's experiencing night. You see something here. This is the moon. The moon too, part of it has light, part doesn't have light. The part that has light reflects the light and it comes to where the night is. So in the night, you see the moon giving light. That light is from the sun. You see the light coming to the earth, When it got here, the earth broke the light. But here, earth is smaller, so the light passed here. But because we have moon here, moon too has broke it, and the light has been reflected here. So that is why in the night, those here, they are able to see the moon. And always the shape of the moon, it is not round. It's not all the time that you see it to be round. Sometimes it's it's not full one. It's not a full circle. So always it has something like this. Something like this. Okay, so this is how it works. So as the earth rotates, those here will come to this side to get light. Those here will also go to this side to get night. That is how it is formed. Now, so this is how day and night is formed. Let me ask this question. Is it always true that anytime side A faces the sun, side B becomes dark? Do you agree that this is how day and night? Okay, so it is true that anytime side A faces the sun, side B will face will not get light. Anytime side A will face the sun, side B will not get light. It happens like that. Okay, so we are coming to the end of today's lesson, but I have a video for you, so hold on. Okay, so we saw in the diagram how day and night are formed. We are going to look at the video. So this is how day and night are formed. So this is the earth, this is what? The sun. This is the sun, this is the earth. We are saying that the earth rotates. The sun doesn't rotate, it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere, it is always at a point. It is found at the center of the solar system, and the planet Earth moves around it. At the same time, it turns or spins. So the spinning of the Earth or the rotation of the Earth causes what? Day and night. So if the Earth rotates, part of the Earth will face the sun. So if you look at this, all these parts is facing the sun. So those here, you can see the sun. So the sun will give light to those here, and they will experience what we call daytime. You can also see that this side is dark. So whilst one part is facing the sun, the other part will not facing the sun. The part that is not facing the sun will not get light from the sun. So that is why in the night you don't see the sun, but during daytime you see the sun. And the sun also brightens the earth, not the entire earth, parts of the earth, half of the earth. So this side is facing. Now this is Africa. Africa will not be like this, or where Africa is will not remain there like that. It will move or it will turn. So if Africa turns to this side, it tells you that if you are in Ghana, you are around here. If the earth rotates and get to this side, all those here will not get what? Light from the sun. So if you are here, you'll be experiencing what? Night. If you are here, you'll be experiencing nighttime. So this is how day and night is formed. The rotation of the earth. The rotation of the earth on its axis. The rotation of the earth around the axis causes what? Day and night. Now let's continue. So this is people on earth. Look at different buildings. Now this is the earth. You see the earth is moving. This is the planet earth where human beings, all of us are. Have you seen it? So this is the earth, round like this. The sun is there. And let me also add that all the planets, we have 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, the earth is the only planet that supports life. What it means is that you can only find living things on earth. Apart from earth, all the other planets you cannot see, you cannot find living things there. Okay, so now let's see how it goes. Oh, okay. So this is the earth. See, the earth is turning. This side has light. Let's see. Now the sun is here, and all those here, they have what? They have light. All those here have light. Okay, so you see this line? Have you seen this line? This is the axis. This is the axis. Okay, so the earth rotates around it. Now let's move on. So you see the earth goes round. If you are here, you come to this side. So you see Africa is here. So you see part of Africa is facing the sun, part is not facing the sun. So it tells you that the earth is not static, it turns, and at the same time it moves. So the turning of it or the spinning of it, that is what we call rotation. And this brings about day and night. If it doesn't rotate, only one side will be facing the sun. So that side will be experiencing day throughout. The other side will not get light from the sun again. And is it possible that you woke up in the morning, from morning up to 6, after school, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you still see the sun? Is it possible? No. So the earth always what? Rotates. rotate, rotate. So in the night, if you don't see the sun, it tells you that you are here. The earth has rotated, it has moved to a part that you cannot see the sun. But if you can see the sun, it means the earth has rotated and you find yourself at a place that you can see what? The sun. So the rotation, the turning, I'm saying rotation is the same as what? Turning or spinning. So if the earth doesn't spin, only one side will get light forever. But if it spins or it rotates, always half will get light, half will not get light from the sun. So it goes like that, it goes like that in that cycle. So let's continue. I've told you that this is the axis. So this is what? The earth. The earth is just moving, it's just turning. Look at the fire from the sun, and the earth too is there turning. So now let's look at something here. So you see daytime. Daytime is for those who are here. All those who are here. It's daytime because there is light from the sun. They are receiving light from the sun, so they are experiencing daytime. And those who are here, they are not getting the light from the sun, so they are not experiencing daytime. Let's continue. So this is how it looks like. Daytime, these are the things that we see. We see the sun. Daytime, we see the sun. So all those here are receiving sun. Okay, so this is the daytime. Now let's look at this side. Let's look at this side. So you see nighttime. Nighttime, those here are experiencing nighttime. Those here are experiencing daytime. Nighttime is here. This side is dark because they don't get light from the sun. The sun just get to this part only. So those here will be getting light, but those here will not get light. Now let's continue. So this is how day and night occur. In the night, a lot of things happen. So day and night, this is day and night. You see? So if the time is like this, the part of the air that get light or that receive light, they will tell you that, oh, it's daytime. It's daytime, oh, I'm in school. I'm here, I'm doing A, B, C, D. At that same time, those here, they have closed from work, they are in their rooms and they are having their dreams. Some are dreaming, some are also not dreaming. Those here experience the night. They will be in their rooms sleeping, but those here will be enjoying. So let's say the time is, this is 6, 7, 8, it's 8:14 or 8:13. In the morning, this side or these people will get light. At the same time, there are some people in different countries who will not get what? Light. They will what? They will be in the night. Okay, so this is how day and night is formed. If the earth doesn't move, only one part of it will get sun. But because it moves, part of it will get sun. The part that will not get sun will also come and face what? The sun, to also get the sun or the light from the sun. So this is day and night, how day and night is formed. The rotation of it brings about day and night. So in exams, if you are asked to draw a diagram to show how day and night is formed, this is a typical illustration that you can give. A big sun here, see the fire, then you draw this as the edge. You what? Indicate the part, one part or half of it facing the sun. So this side will be the day, half of it not facing the sun will be the night. So this is how day and night is formed. If you are drawing, this is how you should draw it. Okay, let's continue. So you see the earth, this is spinning or turning. Have you seen it? It is turning. So this side, Africa is going now. We are in the night like that. Have you seen this? This is how the solar system looks like. Today we are not talking about solar system, but I want to let you know that The solar system is like this. Have you seen this round thing? We call it orbit. You will get there. Now the center here is the sun. The sun is at the center, it doesn't move, but the planet will move. The third planet is Earth. So 1, 2, 3, this is Earth. Let's see how Earth is moving. So we are here. The Earth is moving like something. What it's doing, we call it revolution. That is the movement of the Earth around the sun. And then the turning of the Earth around the axis is what we call rotation. So the Earth is rotating. So this is what we have. And credit to NG Science, New Generation Science. Yes, I got a video from their site, NG Science. Okay, so this is the end of the lesson, how day and night is formed. I believe you have seen the videos, you have seen the diagram and other things, all the explanation that I've given to you. I believe you are okay. If still you have questions, you can reach out to me and I'll help you. Now let's go back and look at our exercises. We have finished watching the video. We are coming to the end of the lesson. So in summary, today we have learned that a complete rotation of the Earth on its axis makes a full day. That is 24 hours. A full day is made up of 12 hours and a full night time is made up of 12 hours. So daytime 12 hours, nighttime 12 hours, making a full day. And that is one completion of what? The Earth rotating around the axis. Okay, so this is what we have learned today. Let's look at the exercises. So we have exercise 1, 5 questions. Exercise 2, 5 questions. Exercise 3 is here, exercise 4 is here. Then we have home assignment 1 or home assignment 2. Let me read the home assignment 1. Pay attention. In Ghana, while school children are busily learning in the classrooms, school children in New Zealand are asleep. When school children in New Zealand are in their classrooms learning, school children in Ghana are also what? Asleep in their bedrooms. I'm taking it again. In Ghana, while school children are busy learning in the classrooms, school children in New Zealand are asleep. When school children in New Zealand are in their classrooms learning, school children in Ghana are also asleep in their bedrooms. Explain how this occurs with the help of a diagram. So this is a practical question for you. I've told you that we promote this series. We don't give only straightforward answers, or we don't ask questions that will give you what? Straightforward answers. Our questions, you need to apply the knowledge. So this is a typical example. Right now, you are in classroom learning. Your friends in New Zealand, they are also asleep. What is the reason? What causes that? Why is it that all of us will not be in the classroom? No matter where you are, you'll be in the classroom to learn. But some people are learning in their classrooms. Some people are also sleeping in their classroom because they are experiencing night, but we are experiencing what? Daytime. When they go to school, children in Ghana too will be in their bedrooms sleeping. So explain how this thing happens with a diagram. Now this is what your home assignment 1. Home assignment 2, explain what will happen if the Earth stops spinning. Just imagine that the Earth has stopped turning or rotating. What do you think will happen? So explain what will happen if the Earth stops spinning. Spinning is the same as what? Turning around. Now this is the end of the lesson. Take your time, read the book, watch the video again. If you are not okay with understanding, watch it again. You can also reach out to me if you have questions. Your parents, your teachers are there. Go to them. They will help you. Remember, this is Kukumoti series. Apart from science, we also have Asante Chi, Epiapim Chi. If you need copies, reach out to us. We'll make sure you get copies. Remember that our video lessons are on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. So you can ask your friends to go there and watch. Remember to also follow us or subscribe to our channel and invite more people. Send a link to people, your friends, to watch. All what we are doing here is what your teachers are teaching you in the classroom. So it gives you another opportunity to learn something from different person. And my name is Paul Williams Ofori. Bye bye.